2, 1, fight! As pushing it away. Produced off of the titanium wedge on the front of CD. Raise it up in the air momentarily. They line up. Blizzard. Right side up again. That disc is still spinning. Looks like there's much more spinning. Titanium sports. Ziggy is right there. Back into the robot now to push Blizzard into the wall. We're 1 minute in, we have 2 minutes left in this fight. Ziggy trying to get the overview of the wall. If Ziggy is successful, the wall does count as an instant knockout.
Oh man. Oh yeah! Woo!
Great night, Ziggy. Blizzard there, even though it was pushed up on his back, his tires still touching the floor, so it's like pushing on the sides of his back, the tires are too big.
Nice flip.
Of course, the more time the more power you Crazy enough, the top of Blizzard, and that has now been knocked off. Just a camera. Spinning the other direction. Oh, it's still going that same way. Robots continue to buy shoulder aggression, shoulder damage. They're both looking a little woozy. That's to be expected. But we're going to end this fight in a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up for the Rosewood Judges decision. It looks like
wow, this is going to be a close one.
Ziggy got stuck in